ट्रैकिंग बंद करो,
बंद करो, बंद करो,
डबल ट्रैकिंग बंद करो,
हमका नका, डबल ट्रैकिंग,
हमका नका,
हमका नका,
डबल ट्रैकिंग हमका नका,
नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए,
डबल ट्रैकिंग नहीं चाहिए,
नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए,
डबल ट्रैकिंग नहीं चाहिए,
बंद करो, बंद करो,
डबल ट्रैकिंग बंद करो,
हमका नका,
डबल ट्रैकिंग हमका नका,
हमका नका,
डबल ट्रैकिंग हमका नका,
हमका नका,
डबल ट्रैकिंग हमका नका,
नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए,
डबल ट्रैकिंग नहीं चाहिए,
नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए,
डबल ट्रैकिंग नहीं चाहिए,
नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए,
डबल ट्रैकिंग नहीं चाहिए,
बंद करो, बंद करो,
डबल ट्रैकिंग बंद करो,
बंद करो, बंद करो,
डबल ट्रैकिंग बंद करो,
बंद करो, बंद करो,
डबल ट्रैकिंग बंद करो,
हमका नका,
डबल ट्रैकिंग हमका नका,
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 बंद करो, बंद करो,
डबल ट्रैकिंग बंद करो,
बंद करो, बंद करो,
डबल ट्रैकिंग बंद करो,
नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए,
डबल ट्रैकिंग नहीं चाहिए,
नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए,
डबल ट्रैकिंग नहीं चाहिए,
नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए,
डबल ट्रैकिंग नहीं चाहिए,
बंद करो, बंद करो,
डबल ट्रैकिंग बंद करो,
हमका नका,
डबल ट्रैकिंग हमका नका,
हमका नका,
डबल ट्रैकिंग हमका नका,
नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए,
डबल ट्रैकिंग नहीं चाहिए,
बंद करो, बंद करो,
डबल ट्रैकिंग बंद करो,
बंद करो, बंद करो,
डबल ट्रैकिंग बंद करो,
बंद करो, बंद करो,
डबल ट्रैकिंग बंद करो,
नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए,
डबल ट्रैकिंग नहीं चाहिए,
ओनली गोल, ओनली गोल, ओनली गोल, ओनली
Yes.
गोल,
Sir, I have to cover live now, sir. What to do is responsibility I came.
only goal, only goal,
Sir,
only
Giri sir and Digambar sir are talking.
only goal, only goal.
I came, it is my responsibility I came, sir. They told Giri to cover it live, so I came, sir.
नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए, बंद करो, बंद करो,
I understand, sir.
बंद करो,
What should I say,
बंद
sir?
करो,
डबल ट्रैकिंग बंद करो,
हमका नका, हमका नका,
डबल ट्रैकिंग हमका नका,
I'll come back, sir. I'll come back.
डबल ट्रैकिंग हमका नका,
Yes,
Only
yes, sir. No, I
goal.
agree with you, sir. I'm not denying
only
it.
goal,
say no to goal,
only goal,
say no to goal,
only
I don't
goal,
understand, sir.
say no to goal,
only goal,
say no to goal,
Yes, sir.
only goal,
say no to goal,
only goal,
say no to goal,
Correct,
नहीं
correct.
चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए,
डबल ट्रैकिंग नहीं चाहिए,
नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए,
डबल ट्रैकिंग नहीं
I
चाहिए,
was just recording, sir. I didn't see the call. I just saw it now and I received
हमका
it.
नका,
हमका नका, हमका नका,
डबल ट्रैकिंग हमका नका,
हमका नका, हमका
Sir,
नका,
if you tell me, sir, what do I do? You tell me. You guide me, I will do accordingly.
only goal,
say no to goal,
only
Okay,
goal,
sir. Okay, sir.
only goal,
say no to goal,
only goal,
say no to goal,
नहीं चाहिए, नहीं
agree.
चाहिए,
This is from the central government, sir. I
बंद
understand.
करो, बंद करो,
डबल ट्रैकिंग बंद करो,
बंद करो, बंद करो,
डबल ट्रैकिंग बंद करो,
I'll give you a call, sir. I'll call you, sir.
बंद करो, बंद करो,
डबल ट्रैकिंग बंद करो,
अरे नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए,
डबल ट्रैकिंग नहीं चाहिए,
नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए,
डबल ट्रैकिंग नहीं चाहिए,
बंद करो, बंद करो,
डबल ट्रैकिंग बंद करो,
बंद करो, बंद करो,
डबल ट्रैकिंग बंद करो,
नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए,
डबल ट्रैकिंग नहीं चाहिए,
नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए,
डबल ट्रैकिंग नहीं चाहिए,
नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए,
डबल ट्रैकिंग नहीं चाहिए,
बंद करो, बंद करो,
डबल ट्रैकिंग बंद करो,
बंद करो, बंद करो,
डबल ट्रैकिंग बंद करो,
बंद करो, बंद करो,
डबल ट्रैकिंग बंद करो,
नहीं चाहिए,
गया है।
डबल ट्रैकिंग नहीं चाहिए।
Only gold.
Say no to gold.
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 नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए,
डबल ट्रैकिंग नहीं चाहिए।
नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए।
डबल ट्रैकिंग नहीं चाहिए।
Amka naka, amka naka,
डबल ट्रैकिंग हम का नका।
amka naka, amka naka,
डबल ट्रैकिंग हम का नका।
amka naka, amka naka,
डबल ट्रैकिंग हम का नका।
amka naka, amka naka.
डबल ट्रैकिंग हम का नका।
Only gold.
Say no to gold.
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 नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए,
डबल ट्रैकिंग नहीं चाहिए।
नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए,
डबल ट्रैकिंग नहीं चाहिए।
नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए।
डबल ट्रैकिंग नहीं चाहिए।
amka naka, amka naka.
डबल ट्रैकिंग हम का नका।
Last so many days, there is a big agitation going on in the state of Goa. The entire state is boiling. They are opposing the double tracking on the South-Western Railway. Now, South-Western Railway runs passenger trains from the state of Goa and also transportation trains, goods trains which carry coal. Now we realize that South-Western Railway is putting the second track. Now they have the first track. We already have Konkan Railway Corporation which has acquired huge quantum of land and their trains are moving all across the country. South-Western Railway has got only 5 trains. One is Nizamuddin Express, Vasco to Delhi. One is Goa Express, again Vasco to Delhi. Third is Amravati Express, which goes from Vasco to Amravati. And fourth is local train, which goes to Vasco to Kollam, which is in the state of Goa. Local train. Otherwise, all the other goods trains which carry coal are going on this single track. So we feel, Goans feel, that there is no need of laying second track on the South-Western Railway by destroying all the land, environment, beauty of the state of Goa. Railway lines in Goa are passing through the thickly populated area. In some areas, station is here, track is here, this side are the houses, other side of the houses. As it is, people are in trouble because of movements of the train. But still, this track was existing before, people have been patient. Now they are afraid that with second track being laid down, lands are being acquired, people are opposing to the land acquisition under the Railway Act. They are also opposing laying of second track because they feel that number of goods trains carrying coal will increase enormously, thereby creating a coal pollution across the state. Now everywhere coal particles, whenever the trains go, they are just on the open racks and they are not even covered by properly by the tarpaulins, and the dust particles which go up or the coal which falls down on the track, it gets washed away in the water bodies, which leads to pollution. Thus particles which go up in the air, they get deposited in various houses, on the dining table and everywhere, which again creates pollution. And that is why we have come here. In fact, a few days back, there was a big agitation when they wanted to cross that railway gate. They want to lay the second track. Around 2,000 people gathered at night at 10 o'clock, remained awake till 6 o'clock. The railways had to abandon the work. Day before yesterday, they wanted to do it in another railway gate crossing near Daurling. There also people gathered and they had to issue a press note that they are not doing the work. So our request to the General Manager of the South-Western Railways, please stop this work. Please scrap this work. Single track is that which is sufficient for the state of Goa.
Goa is too small a place. Our land is 3,702 kilometers, which is smaller than a district of Karnataka, which is smaller than a district of Maharashtra. Please don't destroy. It is known to be the state of beaches, state of mountains, state of rivers. People come to Goa, tourists come to Goa basically to enjoy, to relax. They don't want to come to Goa to see coal dust and to eat coal. So our humble request to the railway authorities is please reconsider your decision. Please see the state of Goa's condition. Goa is the jewel in the entire country. They say that tourists get attracted towards Goa, and we don't want to destroy that. And that is why our humble request to the railway authorities, please reconsider your decision, stop this work and cancel this work of laying second.
आपका सरकार इनके बारे में क्या
Which sarkar? Goa is ruled by the same government, by the same party which rules in center. So we have been fighting. People are getting. It is not a question. It is the fight of the entire state. All people have come together, and they are coming together on this issue.
project which are being going in the area.
People are opposed to all the projects.
All the three projects.
All the three.
Not the
See, they said thousands of trees will be cut. Thousands of trees.
But your protest has been only limited to this.
No, we are coming here because railway is concerned with the double track. Railway is not concerned with the power transmission line. Railway is not considered with the concerned with the others. So our main purpose of coming to here, railway authority, basically the project which is directly undertaken by them, which is dealt by them. We want to tell them, request them, please don't do this.
सर जब आपका सरकार था वहाँ पे बहुत सारा माइनिंग भी चल रहा था, तब डस्ट का प्रॉब्लम नहीं था क्या आप लोगों को?
कोल का ऐसा प्रॉब्लम नहीं था. माइनिंग इज इन हिंटरलैंड. माइनिंग इज नॉट इन द सिटीज. Railway track is passing through the cities, passing through the residential
The
areas.
mines were supposed to be transported through railway lanes itself.
No, mining were transported by barges.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi wants to help, and at the cost of destruction of the state of Goa. The Goa is a very small state where everyone is attracted, and Goa's ecology, Goa's environment, Goa's coastal line is getting destroyed only because of one or two families of this country, Adani and Jindal. Now coal has been discarded by most of the countries. The coal has been the least used now because of its health ill effects on the health. Because the dust, the powder that is inhaled and that is creating the health hazard, that is also creating the environmental effects on fauna and all other ecological issues. We are cutting around 63,000 trees because of these three projects. Now we are here to bring the voice because Southwestern Railways are unable to hear the voice of people of Goa who are protesting there even at the midnight, and Southwestern Railways have become insensitive. They are continuing with laying the double lines, and there is no requirements. There are only 4 trains right now running on that track, and that track is sufficient. So we are here to bring the voice, to raise the voice of the people of Goa. We are submitting a memorandum to the General Manager, requesting him, urging him on the people of Goa that they should cancel the laying of the second track, because one track is right now sufficient and there is no pressure of the passengers. We don't want to destroy our people, to displace our people who are losing their agriculture. We are destroying the environment, and so the railways will be forced to cancel its second track to save Goa.
today we wanted to take up the issue of rising onion prices and the statement made by the Civil Supplies Minister, Mr. Govind Gowde, about threatening the people to remove the subsidies. Now everybody is aware of the fact that onions in the open market is rupees 120 per kilo. We are thankful to the minister that subsidies have been still provided to us, and at fair price shops we are getting onion price per kilo onions for rupees 32, while in the Horticulture Corporation it's for 75 rupees. Now Mr. Gowde should know that our question cannot be termed as criticisms, because we are genuinely questioning the government as to how is it that it is at rupees 32 in the fair price shops while it is rupees 75 at the horticulture department. What we have got to know, based on the department itself, what they have stated is that civil supplies, apparently the amount of rupees 32 per kilo includes the cost of transportation, as well as rupees 3 will be given per kg as profits to the fair price shops owners. Now if there is going to be a profit at rupees 30, when they are selling it at rupees 34 at fair price shops, how is it that at Horticulture Corporation these profits are the subsidies cannot be reduced to 34? On what audacity does Mr. Govind Gowde has that he's threatening us to shut down the subsidies? He must know that the subsidies have not been given by him. We are paying taxes, and therefore these subsidies come because of that. It is not based on the whims and fancies of the civil supplies minister that we give the subsidies. What we are supposed to get, you are supposed to give it to us at this point of time. Now with Diwali approaching, the least that we are asking for is the same amount as in the fair price shop should be there at the Horticulture Corporation also. Because as it is with the pandemic, the situation is quite bad. The incomes of every household has reduced drastically. There is no enough of money even to have genuine good food for your festivals, especially during Diwali. The least we are asking from the minister is that these threats should stop. We are not in Gundaraj, and this is not subsidies are not given from Mr. Govind Gowde's own pocket. He should respect the people, know how to speak to the people, and accept questions and not term it as criticisms. Questions are not criticisms. When questions come, listen to the questions, understand the issue, and try to resolve the issue for the people. That's all we are stating, and not to threaten the people. That's all we are stating, and we will not tolerate this. Further on, Seema will state.
लोकांकडे जॉब गेला काम हे लोकांकडे ना आनी कित्याक हे करता लोकांक दिया न्ही सबसिडी मेळटा ती लोक टॅक्स भरता लोकांक सर्विसी पसून गेल्या आनी इतलो म्हारग कांदो बिनो खावप म्हणजे लोकांक हेल्प करचे सोडून लोकांचे जॉब गेल्या लोकांकडे पयशे ना इतले करून तुमी इतले लोकांक त्रास करता.
See, fair price shopper dile already 34 rupees. Agitation, if you remember when onions were increased, the price was increased during Congress term. Smriti Irani, including the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, had openly come out and agitated. That, according to Mr. Govind Gowde, is not politically motivated. When genuine questions are being asked, that time it becomes politically motivated. Agitations will be done in the open market if the prices does not come down, and if the Horticulture Corporation does not give the same price as fair price shops. I think before Diwali, this issue should be resolved, and it should not be treated as a criticism. It should be considered as a genuine question, and Civil Supplies Minister Mr. Govind Gowde should take this genuine question as a issue and resolve this issue for everybody. So that's what we're saying. Resolve this issue before Diwali. In the next 2-3 days, you resolve this issue and give the subsidies that is truly deserved for each and every local who has paid their hard-earned taxes to get these subsidies. That's what we are demanding.